Hey there, crazy couponers, it's me, Eric, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're brand new. And I am bringing to you guys another $5 off 25 digital, which is for Saturday only, which is for 2/23/2019. And as you can see, I have the $5 off 25 digital, and it, like it says, it does expire on the 23rd, so it's a Saturday only deals. So without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump right into the deals. So the first deal I have for you guys, it's a paper slash digital slash IP coupons, and you're gonna need the following. So you're gonna want to pick up 2 of the Suave shampoo slash conditioner at $3 each, which is the Suave Gold. Then you're gonna want to pick up 5 of the Scott's Comfort Plus 6 rolls at $3 each. Then you're gonna want to buy 2 Tide Pod 16 counts at $4.95 each. So the total before coupons is gonna be $30.90. The $3 off 15 instant savings for purchasing Scott's products is going to come off first. Then you're going to want to clip the $5 off $25 general digital coupon. Then there's going to also be a $2 off 6 Suave Dollar General digital. Then you're going to want to clip the $3 off for the Suave shampoo conditioner manufacturer coupon from the $127 retail me not. Then you're going to want to use 5 of the 50 cents off of 1 Scott's Bath tissue IPs, which is no longer available. So make sure you're finding a IP fairy that would have that coupon, so you can be able to get those coupons and print them yourself. Then you're going to want to use 2 of the $3 off 1 Tide Pod IP coupons, which are no longer available. So if you have those coupons, make sure that if this is a deal that you would like to do, then make sure you have those coupons in handy. So the final price is going to be $9.40 for 9 items, or just $1 for each, which is a 70% savings. So I think that's an amazing deal for 9 items, which is $1 for each. So definitely not a bad deal to do for the first scenario. So let's go ahead and move on to the second. So the second and third deals, I'm going to have a digitals only. And I am actually using the breakdown from Running Kimono. She actually has this on her channel as well. But I thought these were really, really good breakdowns, so I had to take them and share this with you guys as well. And I'll leave a description link down in the description box below of her channel, so you can go check her out as well. She has additional breakdowns for you guys as well. So show her some love and subscribe to her channel. For this one, it's a digitals only. So this is the following items that you would want to pick up. So you want to pick up 2 of the Colgate Optic White 4.2 ounces at $3 each. It has to be this kind, so make sure you get that kind. And then buy 1 of the Colgate mouthwash at $4.50. Buy 2 Nivea lotions 13.5 ounces at $3.50 each. Then you're going to want to pick up 1 of the Nivea lip balms at $2. Buy 1 Doko Lax at $5.75. And buy 1 of the Always Discreets at $3. So the total before coupons is going to be $28.25. Then there's also that instant savings for Colgate. When you spend $10, you save $3 automatically. So it's going to drop your price down to $25.25. Then you're going to want to clip the $5 off 25 digital coupon. Then the $4 off 2 Nivea lotion digital. Then the $1.25 off of 1 Nivea lip balm digital. Then you're going to want to clip the $5 off 23 if you still have it for the Colgate digital. Use the $3 off 1 Docolax digital and the $2 off 1 Always Discreet digital. So the final price for everything is going to be $5 for 8 items, or just 63 cents each, which is an 82% savings. So thank you once again, Running Kimono, for this amazing digitals breakdown. And like I said, go subscribe to her channel because she offers additional breakdowns. So awesome deal. The third one is also inspired by Running Kimono. So in this scenario, it's also another digitals breakdown. So the following items you would want to pick up are 2 Nivea lotions at 13.5 ounces at $3.50 each, because they're on sale for $3.50 each. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Febreze air sprays at $3 each. Then 1 of the Nivea lip balms at $2. Then pick up 1 of the Always Discreet at $3. Buy 2 Colgate Optic Whites, the 4.2 ounce kind, at $3. And then buy 1 of the Airwick Aerosol White Lavender, and it has to be the Snuggle scent, at $1. Reason being is because there's going to be a particular coupon that you're going to want to clip, which is the Airwick coupon, and it will take off for this specific brand only. The Airwick with the snuggle, this purple kind. So make sure you pick up that item, and it's for $1. And we have $1 digital, so it's going to make it absolutely free, which is awesome. So definitely pick up that item. So the total before coupons is going to be $25 even. You're going to want to use the $5 off 25 digital coupon, clip the $4 off 2 Nivea lotion digital, then use $3 off 2 Febreze digital. Then you're going to want to clip the $1.25 off of 1 Nivea lip digital, then clip the $2 off 1 Always Discreet digital, clip the $4 off of 2 Colgate digital, and use the $1 off 1 Airwick digital. So the final price for everything is going to be $4.75 for 9 items, or just 53 cents each, which is an 81% savings. And again, thank you, Renny Kimono, for this breakdown. And yeah, we'll go ahead and move on to the fourth scenario. This one's an IPs only deal. So the following items you're going to want to pick up are 4 of the Snuggle fabric softeners, the ones that are 50 ounce/60 loads at $3.95 each, and then pick up 3 of the Tide Pods 16 count at $4.95 each. So the final price before coupons is $30.65. Clip the $5 off 25 digital. Then you're going to want to use 4 of the 50 cents off of 1 Snuggle IP coupons, which are no longer available. So find somebody that would actually have this coupon so you can print them, as well as the $3 off of 1 Tide Pods. So this, you're going to want to pick up 3 of these as well. So the final price for everything is going to be $11.65. I also forgot to mention there's going to be a $3 off of 15 Snuggle, $3 off 15 instant savings. So make sure that will come off to constitute to this final price. So I forgot to add that into the notes, but that will come off first, and then the 5 off 25 digital. So the final price for everything is going to be $11.65 for 7 items, or just $1.66 each per item. And then that would be a 62% savings. So if you're needing fabric softener and laundry soap together, this would be an amazing deal for you. Then the other also is going to be an IPs only scenario. So the following scenario you want to do is pick up 4 Tide Liquid at $5.50 each, the 25 load kind, and then pick up 2 of the Tide Pods 16 count at $4.95 each. So the total before coupons is $31.90. Then you're going to want to use the 5 off 25 digital coupon, or actually use the $5 off of 30 Tide Dollar General digital coupon first, because we're spending $30 on Tide products. And then the 5 off 25 will come off next. You're going to want to use 4 of the $3 off of 1 Tide liquid detergent IPs, which are no longer available. And then use the $3 off 1 Tide Pods IPs that are no longer available as well. So the final price for everything is going to be $3.90 for 6 items, or just 65 cents each, which is an 88% savings. So awesome deal. So with that being said, guys, this is all the scenarios that I have for you guys this week. And like I said, the day that you want to go is on Saturday. So if you're brand new to Dollar General, you know, these 5 off 25s are generally used on Saturday only. So you only have 1 day to do the deals. And with that being said, this is Crazy Couponing with Eric signing off. Happy couponing. We'll see you guys next time. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to actually push the notification bell, so that way you guys will receive upcoming videos and be notified for when I do post a video. All right. So Crazy Couponing with Eric signing off. Happy couponing. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.